Hi, I'm Taz, the Tasmanian Devil. I come from Tasmania, a little island in the south of Australia. If you want, I will be your guide in this amazing expedition. If you like the sport, the nature, or if you like to walk around the desert, this is your country. Come with me to visit the Australian forests. Look, this is our flag. Here, in Australia, you can see a lot of... What is the name? Oh yes, kangaroos. You can row in our canoes if you like the paddle, or do surf if you like the sea and play with the waves. To visit our wonderful deserts, to play with the lovely koalas, to visit our great and unusual monuments, to enjoy the good music in our wonderful opera house, to dance with the friendly aborigines, or even fight against me, the Tasmanian Devil. Roar!